Join me as I dive into the future of Btog stock and make some bold predictions about where it's headed. Btog stock has been making waves in the market recently, and for good reason. As a leader in its industry, its performance has a significant impact on the overall market sentiment. But what does the future hold for Btog stock? That's what we're going to explore in this video. The truth is, Btog stock has been incredibly volatile lately, and that volatility has led to a lot of uncertainty among investors. One day it's up, the next it's down, and it's been almost impossible to predict which way it's going to go. This uncertainty has led to a lot of anxiety and frustration among investors who are trying to make sense of it all. The main challenge that investors face when it comes to Btog stock is trying to separate the signal from the noise. With so many conflicting opinions and analysis out there, it's hard to know what to believe and what to ignore. And because of that uncertainty, many investors are just choosing to sit on the sidelines and wait for things to calm down. But the problem is, waiting on the sidelines can mean missing out on potential gains. And that's exactly why I'm here to help you make sense of it all and give you my take on where Btog stock is headed. When we take a step back and look at the recent trends in market analysis, it's clear that Btog stock is at a bit of a crossroads. On the one hand, there are some positive signs that suggest the company is poised for growth. On the other hand, there are some red flags that could indicate trouble on the horizon. One of the main things that caught my attention was the recent trend of institutional investors taking a bigger stake in the company. This is often a sign that the smart money is betting on the company's success, and it could be a good omen for the future. Another factor to consider is the company's recent earnings report, which showed some promising signs of growth. While it wasn't a home run by any means, it did suggest that the company is headed in the right direction. But what really gets me excited is the potential for Btog stock to benefit from some of the broader trends in the market. With this shift towards sustainable energy and technology, Btog is perfectly positioned to take advantage of this trend. Taking all of these factors into account, I believe that Btog stock is poised for some significant growth in the near future. Of course, there are always going to be risks involved with any investment, but I think the potential upside is worth it. My first prediction is that Btog stock will continue to trade in a relatively narrow range for the next few months before breaking out to the upside. This could be a great opportunity for investors who are willing to be patient and wait for the right moment to strike. My second prediction is that the company's earnings will continue to grow, driven by the trend towards sustainable energy and technology. As the company continues to innovate and adapt to changing market conditions, I think we'll see some significant growth in its bottom line. Finally, I predict that Btog stock will become a leader in its industry, driving the overall market sentiment and providing a boost to the entire sector. So, there you have it, my predictions for the future of Btog stock. Whether you agree with them or not, I hope this video has provided some valuable insights and given you a better understanding of what's going on in the market. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts on Btog stock in the comments below. If you want to see more investment analysis and predictions, be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel.